So I'm sitting here with my dogs right now, and they're being really cute because they just like won't lie down or do anything but come up to me and look in my face and wag their tails at me. And it's really cute. So I kind of want to see if Kyle will do it. I'm walking around right now. He's just laying down over there, but they were being super cute this morning. And they're still being cute right now. So hopefully, after she's done drinking water, she will come over here and be really adorable. Maybe I'll just go find her. There she is. Hi, Puppy. Hi, Puppy. Come here, Skeleton. Oh, hello. Hello, big boy. You be a good boy today? Yeah. Being so happy and sunbathing. Yeah. Oh. You're a good boy. You're being super cute today. And looking over the door. Kind of looking out and seeing if there's chipmunks or other assorted rodents, squirrels, and all these fun birds that like to roam around. But I don't know if she sees anything right now. Saya. Super cute. And yeah, this is what happens when I have nothing to do today. Hang around with my dog. And we look outside and wish we could catch all the chipmunks, but so yeah, that's my day today. Have a majestic day yourself, whoever watches this video. If I ever decide to post it, I'm just gonna hang with my dogs.